Hello everybody, welcome to the Creative Camper Soaps. Tonight we're going to be creating a very simple soap, but a very good soap for your face, especially for your face if you have oily skin. It's called activated charcoal, and when you add activated charcoal to a soap, it just helps to wash away all that excess oil. My 13-year-old has been going through hormonal changes, and his skin is getting greasy, and so he's breaking out a little bit. So I pulled him out to borrow that, and it really helped clear up pretty quickly. So he's using that and enjoying it. So we're gonna make another loaf and let him continue using that, but also offer that to you guys. So come along and let's see how it goes. Well, this is it. This is literally the last soap that I believe that I will be making this summer before, well, August I'll start making soaps for fall. So this one is a charcoal soap, and to be honest with you, I can't stand working with charcoal. But my son has found that the charcoal soap that I've made really helps his 13-year-old face with the acne that happens when you start to go through puberty. So we will keep making this, and this is really a good soap for anybody who has oily skin. But it sure is a mess to work with. So let me clean my hands off real quick so I don't get this on everything else. This is a non-fragrance. Don't add any fragrance this. Since it would be mainly used as a face bar. Black belches here. So anyway, I'm getting excited now for fall. Last fall I felt like I did not do the best job that I could do with soaps. I felt like it was kind of a bomb. So I'm excited to try to do a little bit better this year. One thing I did learn last year, especially at that time of year, is to stay away from fragrances that have vanilla in it, because it just changes your colors. So I will be trying my best to steer clear of fragrances with vanilla in it, just to be on the safe side. This one should thicken up pretty quickly because I did stick blend it, and then I'll texture the top, and then it will be done until it's ready to unmold. Clean it up a little bit. So those air bubbles to come to the top. And then we'll be back in a few minutes. Nice charcoal bar. Hear that? Had a tougher time. Nice swirls in there.